So in this problem, tan A is given as 1 upon root 3 and A lies in pi to 3 pi by 2, and we have to find out the sine of A plus cos of A. So guys, this problem is related with the different trigonometric ratios, or I will say different trigonometric functions. So tan A is given and we have to find out the value of sine A and cos A, and then we have to add it to find the value of sine A plus cos A. So to find out the value of sine A and cos A, first of all we'll start with the angle A. So here it is given that angle A lies between pi to 3 pi by 2. Now what does it mean? So let's understand the quadrant system. So let's say this is x and y axis. So this is called as first quadrant, this is a second quadrant, this is third quadrant, and this is fourth quadrant. So we say that first quadrant lies between angle 0 to pi by 2, that is 90 degree. Next, the second quadrant lies between pi by 2, that is 90, to 180, that is pi. Third, pi to 3 pi by 2, that is 180 to 270. So 3 pi by 2, and the last quadrant is between 3 pi by 2 to 2 pi. So 2 pi is nothing but 360. To 270 to 360, this range is for fourth quadrant. Now here, since this angle A is greater than, here I will say, since it is greater than pi and less than 3 pi by 2, it means this angle lies in the third quadrant, because here the angle is less than 3 pi by 2 and the greater than pi. So here I will say, therefore A lies in third quadrant. Now in third quadrant we know that tan and cot are positive. So here tan and cot both are positive. So hence here tan A is given as positive 1 by root 3. And we want to find out the value of sine A and cos A. So in third quadrant, since tan and cot are positive and the other angles are negative, therefore sine will be negative and cos of the angle will be negative in the third quadrant. So let's find out the values. So how we'll do it? So from tan, I can find out the value of sec. So for that I'll use the identity. So I'll say now 1 plus tan square A is equal to sec square A. So therefore I can say that sec square A is equal to 1 plus tan square A, where the value of tan A is 1 upon root 3 and we have tan square, hence I will do the square. So this will become 1 plus 1 upon 3, because square of root 3 is 3, and this will become 3 ones are 3 plus 1 upon 3, that is 4 by 3. So this is the value of sec square A, but we want value of sec A. So therefore I will take square root on both sides. So here I will get sec A by taking the square root, and on the right hand side we will get plus or minus 2 by root 3. So square root of 4 is 2 and square root of 3 is square root of 3. Now we got two values of sec. So one is positive and one is negative, but which value need to be considered? So for that we have been given the angle A, and here it is said that angle A lies in third quadrant. So in third quadrant, as we said that tan and cot are positive, it means the remaining other trigonometric functions are negative. It means sec is negative. So here I will say in third quadrant sec of A is negative. So therefore we can say that value of sec A is equal to negative 2 by root of 3. So we have accepted the negative value of sec. Now from this value of sec I can find out the value of cos, because we know that cos of A is equal to 1 upon sec of A, and the value of sec of A that we got is minus 2 by root 3. So this will become minus root 3 upon 2. So we got the value of cos A. Now to get the value of sin A plus cos A, we want the value of sin A also. So let's find out the value of sin A. So therefore I'll say that sin square A plus cos square A is equal to 1, because I need to find out the value of sin A and I have value of cos A, sec A and tan A with me. So I can use this identity, or I can use the relation tan A is equal to sin A by cos A. So we have value of tan A with us, we have value of cos A, so we can easily find out the value of sin A. So I'll use this formula. So here I'll say therefore sin of A is equal to tan of A into cos of A. Now the value of tan of A is given in question, that is 1 by root 3, and the value of cos A that we got is minus root 3 by 2. So by cancelling the root 3, we can say that value of sin A is equal to minus 1 by 2. So we got the value of sin A. And now let's come to the question. So the question is, what is value of sin A plus cos A? So now it's very easy. The value of sin A is minus 1 by 2. The value of cos A is minus root 3 by 2. If I'll add it together, 2 common, and I'll say it is minus 1 minus root 3 in the numerator, and therefore the value of sin A plus cos A is minus 1 minus root 3 whole upon 2. So we got our answer. Thank you.